Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Transit 350. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a heavy-duty trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, you get a tow hitch, you got rear park sensing, you do get windows on the back as well as a side window on your sliding door back there. We do get a camera up there as well, and we get nice black accents along the vehicle to make the white stand out a bit. Keyless entry pad, trailer tow mirrors, side lights as well, heated door mirrors, you got a side view camera, and moving to the front here, we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that lovely Ford grille. You do get a lockable door back here as well, and it is split opening, which is pretty handy. You just pull this back, and it does, and you can lock it, unlock it as you please. Got your speaker system as well, and plenty of space to put all your work surfaces, whatever you please. You can turn this into a little camper if you like, which is all pretty handy. Got that lovely sliding rear door with a nice step to get to the back. And I'm just going to step up here, plenty of storage like I said before. We do get storage above the passenger and driver seat, which is pretty handy as well. And you do get some lights for your back as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do get a power driver seat. We do get a powered passenger seat as well. Got a step to get up. Plenty of door space up front as well. You got your windows, mirrors, cup holder, more storage here. Auto stop, auto start, parking brake, mirrors, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 171 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We got your toggle-free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get My View, driving assist, navigation, your audio, phone, settings, trip 1 and 2's in there, and all that fun stuff. You got auxiliary switches that you can turn on or off, set of power view please, trailer brake, storage with cup holders, more storage here, gear select, 12 volt and a charging outlet, storage below as well with a cup holder and more storage for the passenger. You get more storage on the dash with outlets, which is pretty nice, and you can turn on your bed light or your back lights as well, which is pretty nice, just right there as well. And storage above your infotainment system. You do get drive modes as well, your hazards just right there as well. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, slippery, tow and haul, mud and rut. Climate controls just conveniently right there as well, with heated front seats and dual climate. Or not dual climate, sorry, my bad. Just heated front seats. You do get a 360 view of your vehicle as well. Park assist, all that jazz. For your audio, you do get, if it will let me go back, there's your navigation. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Got your phone, your settings, features of the vehicle, and any apps you may download show right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KA98607, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.